Hey everybody, welcome to Apex Syndicates. All right, I have found another, let's call it low cap, I believe, gem. I think this is a project that we can easily see 5, 10, 15, 20x very easily. Looking at the chart, looking where it's been, looking where it's at, looking at the quality of the meme that it is, I think that we could see some serious gains on this one. So with no further ado, let's dig into this and see what I'm talking about. I'm talking about a project that goes by the name of Peg. Right? Not pig, peg. I like it. It's a fun name. It's cute. It's clean. And the artwork is great. We'll get to that in a minute. But I wanted to show you the chart. Right now, at the time of recording this video, it's a $30,000 market cap. We put a buy alert out at a $26,000 market cap not too long ago. So the chart is already moving. But what I wanted to show you, there's a few key factors here that I think will make this thing absolutely move. One, this has been out for a while. It already has an existing 704 holders. That's number one. That's very important because these are old holders that we can activate and get ready to move and buy into this. Okay, that's number one. Number two, I look at the all-time high on this, and it launched back in June 4th, okay? And it ran all the way up to $500,000 market cap. Now, I had a quick dump down to 85K, ran back up to 250K, and then it's basically been kind of been on trading sideways ever since then, with a few little upticks here and there to 100K. But right now, it's at a 30K market cap. Now, this shows me that this has got great potential. One, it has the holder count. One, they're still posting on X. And like I said, once I show you their website, show you their art, I think you'll see what I see and kind of see why I think this has potential. And the short term and in the long term, I think we could see some quick gains on this. But I also feel that this has a potential for a great long-term meme coin play because of the simplicity of it and its very cute narrative. Okay, so let's dig into their website. Like I said, it's the home of Peg. All right, it's got some really kind of more AI art, but I really do like it. I like the style. I like the pig. Speaking of pigs, it's actually funny. My wife's birthday was on July 4th, and she actually got a pig for her birthday. So this kind of resonates with me on that. So I came across this, and I was like, wait a minute. My wife just got a pig for her birthday, and now I'm running across this really cool project called Peg about a cute little pig. So anyways, I wanted to share this with you, and I wanted you guys to see if you see what I see. But I really think that this has a lot of potential. Like I said, now when I come over to their X, they also have 520 followers. This is very, very important. It has a community base. They're getting good engagements, okay, for the size community and for the market conditions. Right now, the markets, well, we all know they suck. So I think in comparison to what the markets are doing right now and the engagements that they're getting on their posts, it's doing incredibly well. And like I said, I personally like the artwork. I like the style. For me, I think that this has a lot of potential. This definitely looks like the little pig we got. Only he's not blue, the one we got. He's a pinkish hue, but he looks just like this. A very cute little guy, I gotta say. So I resonate with Pig. I like the artwork. I like the style. I think this thing has got potential. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to say it again, but do your own research, do your own due diligence. I could easily see this doing, man, guys, a 10x for this is so easy. So easy. And that would only put this at a $300,000 market cap. Okay, a 10x, a $300,000 market cap is right here. That's basic, not even half. I mean, it went to 500, so just a little over half of its all-time high. That would be so easy to achieve. It's a project that has great artwork, has a good community, has 704 existing holders, easy to activate, and like I said, I think with just the right exposure, this thing could pop. So what is a 10x? Well, a 10x is $1,000 to $10,000 or $100 to $1,000. Guys, this is insane money right now. I said if we can turn $100 into $1,000 right now, this is what I'm talking about. And it's much easier. And this is why I'm talking about, I'm looking for these lower cap coins, these lower cap plays, because the markets are down, okay? Nothing is moving fast. Nothing is moving a lot, okay? So it's much easier to push a coin from $30,000 to a $300,000 market cap and making a 10x than it is to push a coin that's already at $300,000 market cap to a $3 million market cap, because that's what we're talking about. We want to make a 10x, right? We want to put our money in. We want to turn $100 into $1,000, or we want to turn $1,000 into $10,000, okay? Whatever it might be. It's much easier to run a coin from $30,000 to $300,000 market cap than it is to run a coin from $300,000 market cap to a $3 million market cap. Right now, in these market conditions, it's almost impossible to see any kind of meme coin going into the millions of dollars in market cap. Yes, it happens. They're more cabals. It's a little different. So do your own research, do your own due diligence. But that's why I'm trying to find you guys these coins that are low market cap that can move easily so we can make those gains. And like I said, now on these low market cap coins, you don't want to go crazy. You really don't want to invest $1,000 because the problem is the liquidity. It's hard to pull that out, but you can do $200 or $300, okay? Because it's easy enough if it does a 10x to invest $100 and pull out $1,000, or invest, let's say, $300 and pull out $3,000, than it is to pull out $10,000. Because if you look at the liquidity, there's only around $20,000 in locked liquidity. Now, as the market cap goes up, this is going to grow as well. But you want to be careful with that, and you don't want to overinvest because it gets difficult to take your money out. I'm just telling you guys that from my own personal experience. You don't want to put $5,000 into a coin like this at this type of market level because it's very difficult to get that out later. And so right now the markets are down, so we have to lower our normal investment thresholds. Okay, we have to use and play with what we have. So the markets are down, we're playing with low cap coins, we want to make money, we want to make gains. So you look at projects like this and you invest, hey, I'm going to throw $200 or $300 at this project because I can see this doing a 10x, and it's easy enough to pull that out with the liquidity that's available. Okay, so I just wanted to throw that out there. But for me, guys, gals, anybody watching, don't sleep on PEG. I really think that this thing can move. I think we can see some serious numbers. I think we can see an easy 10, 15, 20x on this. That's my own personal thoughts and opinions, not financial advice. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. But make sure you guys check out our VIP Telegram chat with the Patreon link in the description below. Because look, guys, we called this at a 26K market cap, and it's already a $32,000 market cap, and this video's not even out. So if you want to get in early, you want to make those X's, you want to make those gains, well, the only way to do that is by joining our private VIP Telegram chat. Patreon link in the description below. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can also just follow us on X, and you can follow us in our free Telegram chat. It's a great place. It's a great community. No risk, all reward, and we would love to have you over there. So make sure you guys check out all the links in the description below, and make sure you guys pick up some PEG because I'm pretty sure we can see you guys on the moon with a cute little piggy. All right, everybody, have a great day. Don't forget to smile. Don't forget to invest wisely.